my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today I'm going to tell you how I became a graphic designer with no degree and where I started to earn my first money as a graphic designer. And if you're interested, please keep watching. Well guys, let's start my story, and whatever you are bored, here you see my favorite designs. I have been working as a graphic designer for 11 years and I have no degree. But still I have a degree. In 2010 I finished University of Railway Stations and I must be a railway engineer. But it was a desire of my parents, and a year before I finished university I realized that I can't work where I don't want to work. But I always knew that I like designing, but I don't know what kind of design I like. And at that time my boyfriend, now he is my husband, worked with one of his clients. My husband is a web developer. And he bought a lot of illustration for his clients on photo stock, Adobe stock. And he showed me those beautiful illustrations you see now. And I fell in love, guys, and my huge desire at that moment was to become the same designer as they are. I didn't know they were graphic designers, I thought they were illustrators. And I started to learn what I need to know to become graphic designer like they are. And I found out that art I like called vector graphics, and those designers are vector artists. And vector illustration, one of the types of graphic design. And I started to learn what I need to know to be a vector artist. And I found out that I need to learn Adobe Illustrator. My thoughts was, well, okay, how I need to study it? I already finished college and I would soon finish university and I don't want to study somewhere. And I thought that I need to go to the store and buy some books about Adobe Illustrator. And I bought some books about Adobe Illustrator, but there were so many theories and almost no practice exercises. Well, I understood that it was not my way and I opened internet and started to search Adobe Illustrator tutorials. At that time there were almost no tutorials on YouTube. YouTube was only developing, and I found some forums and websites with easy Adobe Illustrator tutorials, and I started to study. I studied almost every day, 3-4 hours for 3 months. And I started to like my works, but now I don't like them. Here you see my first designs. And I decided to try to add some of my designs on Adobe stock and try to sell them there. And you can't even imagine, guys, when in 2 days with 5 works in my portfolio on Adobe stock, one of my designs was sold. It was that design and it was sold for €1. So I decided as a beginner graphic designer to earn money with Adobe stock. and I still was learning, but it was pleasure to see how my designs were sold. And step by step, in the half of the year, on my Adobe stock account was already first 50 euros, and I made my first payment. And guys, I can't explain you what happiness I felt when I received the payment and took my first 50 euros in my hand. It's first 50 years what I earned with the help of my knowledge as a graphic designer and with no degree. It's so pleasure to earn money with your own knowledge. So at that moment I had about 200 works in my Adobe stock portfolio, and I start to work harder. Next payment I made already in 1 month, and it was already 75 euros. It was June 2010 and I finished my university, and now nothing stops me to creating more content on my Adobe stock portfolio. But if in June I had only 75 euros, but in October 2010 I had already 300 euros in 1 month. And in January 2011 I had income 800 euros in 1 month, and I had 1000 works in my portfolio on Adobe stock. So in a year and a half I became a graphic designer that likes his works with pretty good income, and you don't need a piece of paper to become a good designer. So guys, if you think you need a degree, it's wrong thing. You don't need any degree to become good designer, to earn money with a graphic design. And please don't be afraid. If you like graphic design, if you feel that it's your passion, if you feel that you love designs, you love to create designs, please start. Don't think about money at first. Just think about your education. Study every day, 1, 2, 3 hours as you can, but you need to study almost every day to become better and better in a graphic design. And then step by step you became a graphic designer that likes his work, that has money on his art, with his art, and it's so pleasure to make what you, to do what you like and make money with that you like. So guys, in next video I'm going to create a free educational plan in 1 month for you. With that plan you will learn Adobe Illustrator more productively, and you will try a lot of techniques that will help you to learn Adobe Illustrator faster, better, and faster became a graphic designer. So guys, if you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about a graphic design. And see you soon guys. Bye bye. Mwah.